and baobab tree. This is the part one. Stay tuned. We are coming out with more videos like this, guys. Share the video to friends. Baobab have so many benefits, different benefits. Baobab, you see, you have vitamin C, you have vitamin B, you have omega. Baobab have so many benefits. It treats malaria, it treats typhoid, it treats asthma, diabetes, lost weight. You have some form of obesity. Baobab do all that. It's so many benefits. It's African indigenous medicine. Our ancestors have been using it like vegetables, using it for their smoothies, using it for their vegetables, using it to do so many things. And the seed of baobab as well, you can do oil extract with this baobab seed. But in today's video, we are just here to enlighten you the benefit and what baobab is all about. It's a plant whereby you have to reach up to 25 years, up to 25 years before it starts bearing. That's 2 decades before it starts bearing fruit. You can look at the amazing plant. It grows gigantically. It's very big. It's very amazing. What I admire about the plant is it's just like a human. The hands, the roots, everything is healthy about the plant. That's one amazing thing about this plant, this baobab plant. And it grows in the northern part of Africa, usually. Here today we are in upper east region. Upper east region. The plant is growing here. Every plot, every household here is having this plant in their house, behind their houses, or in front of their houses, or in their farms. We grow here. They don't actually cultivate this plant. That's I always talk about. We Africans, we are blessed with plenty, but we hunger in the midst of plenty. Why? Because we run away from our responsibility. We run away from our heritage. Because these are the things our forefathers were using. They were very healthy and strong. But today we have so many things around us, but we see hunger in the midst of plenty. That's the reason why we are here, REPAM, which is Research and Promoters of African Medicinal Plant, to reintroduce nature to an African man. So baobab have so many benefits. You can use the powder for smoothie. You can use it for your beverages. You can use it for cooking at home, cooking so many dishes. You can just use the powder to put in your soup, your stew, your vegetable. It goes because of the vitamin it has. You can just put it in your tea and be drinking it because it has more vitamin than milk. You have more vitamin than carrot and all that. So you guys, we advise you to be consuming baobab, maybe by the powder, getting the powder in your supermarket, consume it in your smoothie, consume it in your soft drinks and all that. Baobab have all this benefit. We are coming out with more part talking about benefit on how you can use the seed itself to extract the oil, or how you can use baobab powder to treat asthma, to treat malaria, to treat infections, because it contains vitamin C, contains magnesium, calcium, it have omega, it have so many minerals in it. That is the benefit of baobab. We are blessed as Africans. That's the reason why we always talk about plants. We always advise on how you can use plants, how you can guide on how you can make use of them. They are our culture, they are our heritage. You can look at the plant. It's growing here wildly, no cultivation, no control. You can look at amazing plant. You can look at amazing stem, and there are 2 stems. You can look at the other ones there, growing down there. They're amazing. So baobab has all these amazing benefits, the vitamins, the minerals, and all that. You can look at the amazing fruit of the baobab. So when you open it up, and this fruit, once the bark touch your skin, your flesh, it have needles. You see, somebody suffering from gout, somebody suffering from arthritis, we use the needles to treat that gout and arthritis. Then if you open it up, you see it had a root on its own inside the fruit. This root as well, it is good for kidney stones. It's good for kidney stones. We are coming out with more video on how you show you how to use the brown root inside baobab fruit to take care of kidney stones and to treat hepatitis as well. Somebody suffering from hepatitis will show you on how you can use the roots. You can see the brown root inside the fruit. They will show you how to use the white powder of baobab. This white powder of baobab, this white one, after getting the powder, to take care of asthma and tuberculosis and chest congestion. Guys, thank you for supporting our channel. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching. We are coming out with more videos on health benefit of baobab, the leaf. We'll talk about the leaf, we'll talk about the barks, we'll talk about the fruits itself. So guys, stay tuned. We are coming out with more videos. This is Ripam Africa. This is Ripam Ghana. We are here to reintroduce nature to an African man. That's the reason why we are here. Thank you guys for supporting our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We are coming out with more videos like this.